That's perfect.
The U.S. Air Force always looks for ways to stay ahead of its adversaries. In recent years, China has been rapidly developing its own Air Force, and the U.S. is concerned that it could soon pose a threat to American dominance in the skies. But that may not hold true now, as the U.S. Air Force has just unveiled a top-secret project that's got everyone buzzing. They've built and flown a mysterious full-scale prototype of their future fighter jet designed to shock China and give the U.S. a decisive edge in any future conflict. Do you think the U.S. Air Force's new fighter jets will be enough to deter China? And just how powerful are these new fighter jets? Let's find out. When it comes to the future of aviation, the U.S. Air Force is always pushing the boundaries. Recently, the service's top acquisition official confirmed that they have secretly designed, built, and flown at least one prototype of their enigmatic next-generation fighter jet. Now, this might not seem like groundbreaking news at first, but here's the kicker. The first flight of an experimental fighter like this hasn't happened in 2 decades.